Welcome. Watch this video to learn how to use the Knowledge Curator agent in BMC Helix ITSM. The Knowledge Curator is an AI agent for creating knowledge articles from incidents. Let us see how to use the Knowledge Curator agent to create knowledge articles in BMC Helix ITSM. Hannah is the administrator at Apex Global. She wants to enable the creation of knowledge articles from incidents, so that service desk agents can create knowledge articles from incidents. Meet Carl, a service desk agent. He's working on an incident about a Wi-Fi issue. Hannah opens the incident rules form in mid-tier and selects Yes for the Enable Helix GPT Knowledge Curator rule. Carl can now create knowledge articles from incidents by using the Knowledge Curator agent. Let's see how he creates a knowledge article from the incident. Carl opens the Wi-Fi network issues incident in BMC Helix ITSM. To create a knowledge article by using the Knowledge Curator agent, he clicks More and selects Create a new article. The Knowledge Management window opens in a new tab. Information from the incident summary, description, and work notes is displayed in the Ask Helix GPT pane. Carl reviews the information and clicks Accept All. The information is populated in the knowledge article. Carl clicks Save to save the knowledge article to the appropriate location. The knowledge article is created and automatically pinned to the incident. By using the Knowledge Curator agent, Carl can leverage the generative AI capabilities of BMC Helix GPT to create knowledge articles. The Knowledge Curator agent uses information from the incident description, summary, and work logs to create the knowledge article. The service desk agent can create a knowledge article directly from an incident without navigating away from the incident. The service desk agent doesn't have to manually collate the information from the incident to create the knowledge article. Finally, the knowledge article is automatically pinned to the incident from which it is created for ready reference. Learn more about how to create knowledge articles from incidents by clicking the link in the description to visit our product documentation. Thank you for watching.